Hey folks, the explanation for the work this week is absolutely straightforward. All I'm asking you to do is to create the rough draft for project number 3. No blog entries or anything. Now, what that means or what that entails is that you're going to include a thesis and you're going to include 3 to 4 paragraphs. When you think about those 3 to 4 paragraphs, you should consider the quotations that you provided last week. I imagine that 3 to 4 paragraphs is not going to be your entire paper. You're still going to be adding a couple of paragraphs after this draft, but the paragraphs that you do create are probably going to be informed by some of the ideas you've been pulling from the readings. Also, remember that in this paper, I'm looking for you to think in 2 ways. Number 1, I want to see that really close analysis of a specific propaganda technique or of a specific medium. So there's going to be that work that's highly specific, and you saw that in the examples last week. And then I'm going to ask for you to start building those larger arguments that are premised on the analysis that you've done. So I've given you a couple of examples of that in last week's folder. I actually put those into this week's folder, and then I gave you another example this week of me helping a student work through some jumbled ideas and turning them into that analysis in that subsequent larger argument work. So take a look at that stuff. Also, I've provided a video that shows you what you would need to do if you want to create the multimedia project. I know some people have chosen the paper. That's absolutely fine. Some people are going to embed images. That's fine as well. And some people want to create this multimodal project. If you're doing the first 2 choices, you'll just upload to Turnitin this week. I have a link inside the folder. If you're doing the 3rd choice, then I actually have a blog that I've opened that says Rough Draft Project 3, and you'll start to create your project in that blog, using that blog interface, and you'll be able to embed videos and all of that stuff. And I've put that, I've put an explanation of that in this week's folder. So that's what we've got going on. If you have questions, please let me know. I'm looking forward to these projects. People have some really cool ideas. All right, take care.